Say hello, you're on.
Hey.
Don't move.
Oh, it's a video?
It is because I can't do 20 and we'll just snapshot.
Hey, we're having fun here. He took me out and we sung songs. And then he took me out dancing.
And we're on, what is this called? A rotunda.
Safety. Huh?
This thing. A gazebo. It's a big rotunda gazebo.
Just
and
a
we're
gazebo.
on Safety Harbor Island, Florida. And it's 2012.
No,
and we're very safe.
2010, baby.
It was 2010.
Okay.
And we wanted to get a picture of us dancing. But we already did that. So we sang songs and danced. And so now it's a moment. Will you quit, Ramon? Just stop. God. He won't quit filming. Let's go.
Love you.